Hi, we are students of the 1713 of the Jalapa, Veracruz. We are currently students of the third semester of the logistic career with the module support in the process of administration of the storage service of goods and submodules, organized operation and warehouse space, and supervised warehouse movements and merchandise. And in this video, we'll talk about our final project of the week, warehouse operation in our Coca-Cola distribution center. For more specific of Azteca PANAMCO, located in the city of Jalapa. The company of PANAMCO, it was founded in 1964. This company makes bottles, carbonated drinks, and water of brands of Coca-Cola. And as of December, Coca-Cola FEMSA and PANAMCO make agreement for PANAMCO and its operating system in Latin America to become the property of FEMSA. Well, now we'll talk about distribution center of several that belong to the company of PANAMCO, in which we have been working. Azteca PANAMCO has its distribution center located on Lázaro Cárdenas Avenue in the city of Jalapa. This center operates 24 hours a day and is responsible for a total of 57 routes, and which 45 are local and 12 are foreign. Within the distribution center, there is an area designated to entrance of roads, and as well as an area for bathrooms both in the offices and the warehouse. On the other hand, the warehouse is covered with roofs and has a nursing, headquarters, cafeteria, bathrooms, and 8 islands with the problems to handle. The islands, they are arranged in the following way. Pallets weigh an 80 long, that is 9 in the other one half in the island, another 9 in the other. Between each island, there is an space for 2 forklifts to open the corridors. The islands are divided as follows: 4 on the left and 4 on the right. Between there will be an appropriate space for a roof or trailer to enter, and the lifts can operate on the sides. Meanwhile, on the north side and in the west wing of the distribution center, there are adequate space to park all the roads. And on the southwest side, the administrative area are located with the space needed to park 15 cars. The entrance to warehouse is in the north side and the exit on the south side, with space to maneuver a double trailer to enter and exit. Well, now let's talk about the operation. The PANAMCO Azteca group uses the pre-sold system, where sellers make the order of each route and via remote. That's it. They are sent to the commercial system, and the warehouse is responsible for loading the routes at night with the respective order. Every day in the first hours, the 57 routes leave to distribute your order, verifying in the warehouse that the inventory of control and physical examination indicate the same. So that's the storekeeper can approve the output of the product. In the same way, when goods enter, merchants must verify the product and take to the center. The difference between what goes in and goes with each route is the size of the day. The size of the real distribution center is 148.82 meters, 142 meters long, and 144.71 wide. So we made our layout sky of 0.52 centimeters equal to 1 meter. And the warehouse has a total area of 212 meters, whose measures are 44 meters wide and 48 meters long, which we do a sky of 2 centimeters equal to 1 meter. The type of forklift that was used was the Audio 500107 because its height was just what we need. The truck that was used for local and foreign routes was the Isuzu ELF 600, since it was the one that adapted to our needs, since it has greater capacity and less space in the distribution center. That's why we choose this model instead of the ELF 400 or the ELF 500. And finally, the trailer that we would choose was the semi-trailer truck with 2 axles and 2 axles, since it has the average size in the adequate capacity. Well, now let's talk about the purpose of our project, which is to show the operation carried inside and outside the merchandise distribution center. We will start with our full warehouse, which has the following. As seen in image, we have 1,000,000 338,600 units, representing a total of 36 different products handled by our distribution center. When night before starting the first day, the routes were loaded with 206,373,000 products. So that's the first day could distribute our order, which left us with an inventory of 1,132,227 products. Subsequently, the routes are reloaded. At night, our routes are reloaded with an anticipated sale of 297,856 products was made. All that will be charged on the routes, which leaves us with an inventory of 834,371 units. However, the suppliers can't supply us with the refreshment that same day. Our routes return at night to be reloaded. Subsequently, the routes are loaded with 252,116 units, which will be distributed in Jalapa and outdoors. That represents our total sales of the day. Finishes with 809,221 units in the warehouse. Our routes return and are loaded at night. During the night of the third day and the dawn of the fourth, the routes are loaded again with 403,231 units that will be distributed in the morning. Trailers with the merchandise arrived on the day, in this case with 278,194 soft drinks. So our warehouse now has 684,184 units. In the late afternoon, the routes are loaded again. On the fifth day of the morning, the local and foreign routes are loaded with 2,793 units, which will be responsible for selling the products, leaving the warehouse with 483,391 products. But tomorrow, there will be a assortment, returning in the afternoon the routes to be loaded. Now, it's the last day of operation this week. The order is 256,388 units, and with which the routes have been loaded. Subsequently, the warehouse has a final inventory this week of 283,933 units, a much lower inventory than the initial one. Well, this is the end of our video, and we hope we have been able to explain the entrance and exit that exist in the distribution center. We hope that our video will please you, and thank you.